Hey guys, what's up? It's D-Murph. I'm going to show you how to remove your rear liftgate trim panel on your Chevy Trailblazer 2002. I'm having a few issues with the locking mechanism that unlocks the window and the liftgate, and as you can hear, things are a little messed up. That's not good at all. So I needed to learn how to remove my trim in order to get to the locking mechanism. There weren't very many good videos out there, so I decided I'd make this. I watched someone else working on a similar vehicle, but I couldn't find any for a Chevy Trailblazer 2002. It's pretty easy. All you really need is some kind of prying tool. I have this pry bar right here, and this will pretty much do the trick. It's not very complicated at all, and it's a sturdy assembly, so you don't have to be too gentle when you're removing that trim. Alright guys, so let's get started. I've already opened this top window because again I've been having issues with my lock. And there's a little button on the inside, a little cover, looks just like this. And you can remove that, and then that'll allow you actually to get a hold of the locking mechanism if you're having any issues. There we go, just unlocked it from the inside. And so just open the gate. Step number one. So I've already removed two pieces. There's this handle right here, and that goes in right over here. The reason why I've already removed it is because there's a little clip on, and you can see it's broken off. But that, it just goes in like this, get in underneath the side and pull it off. Then there's also this little cover that goes right up in here. And what that does is that's where you can access your lock. Now I want to show you something really quick from the top. Alright, so we're going to get in a little bit closer. When you first start this job, when you're getting ready to remove your trim panel, there's a little clip that goes in right here. I was very lucky. The previous owners removed that and never put it back in, so I don't have to worry about that when I'm doing the trim panel. Okay guys, I want to show you really quick where you can unlock your lift gate right here. That's where I removed the cover, and there's a locking mechanism right inside right there. And that will adjust the lock. You just move that. You can unlock your lift gate if your locking mechanism is not working. Alright, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this trim panel really quick, now that all the other parts have been removed. And I apologize about the noise. There's a loud dog and some loud neighbors. So you just get your trim panel remover, already taking out your handle and your bolts, and then you just work it along the side to pop this thing off. And I like to start right here. And don't worry, you're not going to hit any parts of this. And you can hear those things coming undone. Just go over to the other side. There's another one. You can even grab along the side and pull a little bit. And this will slowly undo your trim panel, guys. Really easy. Not too hard at all. Looks like. Alright, I just have the ones in the center, little clips in the center left to take out. Alright guys, so there's just a few more clips in the middle I gotta get after before this thing will come off. And voila, that's how you take off your trim panel. Piece of cake. And what I'm going for is right here. I hope this video helped, guys. It's pretty easy. Always be careful when you're taking these off. Be gentle. These trim panels are pretty sturdy, but you don't want to break anything because they're hard to come by. And what you're taking off, basically, you're just popping out these clips right here. So they're on really nice, and yeah, just a little gentle pry bar and you're good to go. Well guys, I hope this video helped. Taking off trim panel is a piece of cake, and I'll probably be posting a video soon of removing the actual mechanism inside the door that locks and unlocks the liftgate and the window. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. As always, subscribe for more Trailblazer videos, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and best of luck with your repairs at home.